everybody and welcome to Rizzy Tutorials. In today's video we are going to be talking about my July favorites. These are the products that I have been using throughout July and mostly reaching out the most in the month of July. So I have 5 or 6 products that we will be talking about. So without further ado, let us start the video. The very first product that I want to talk about is the Sadhaiv, the Art of Ayurveda Aloe Vera and Saffron Gel. This is not a makeup product, this is more of like a skincare product, and this is actually an aloe vera gel and it has kesar as well in it. It has some most amazing natural ingredients. So overall it's a very good product. Now I haven't heard about Sadhaiv originally, but this was sent to me from Nykaa. So I gave it a try and boy, I fell in love with this product. This actually makes my skin fresh, firm and supple, and I always apply this nighttime routine and before applying my moisturizer. So this generally does not provide much of a hydration, obviously, because it is a gel, aloe vera gel, but with regular use I have seen more brighter, healthier and firm looking skin, and this has definitely changed or helped in my texture of the skin as well. Next up I want to talk about this stack, the Ayurvedic Co Beat Mighty Pink Lip and Cheek Tint. Now this is in the shade Beat, which is actually a pink shade, and this is actually a lip and cheek tint. Nowadays in India I think it is almost a trend and everybody, like every brand, is launching its own natural lip and cheek tint. So this brand sent me a couple of these their variants in PR, and boy, I love this one. I love applying it on my bare cheeks, and this gives a flush of color, like very natural looking flush of color. Like it's not as prominent as a blush, and more importantly this can be applied on the bare skin as well, rather than when you're finishing up your makeup. I always apply this underneath my makeup, so this gives me a healthy, youthful looking cheeks, you know what I mean. And this is in the shade Mighty Pink, which is actually the best for my skin tone, and I believe it would be good for tanner skin tones as well. Now they sent me out another one as well. Now this is in the shade Peach Nude Pink. This one is more of like a nudish color, and this looks very pale on me. It makes my skin look very pale, so definitely whenever I'm recommending the pink variant rather than the peach variant, because this did not work out for me. If you are even fairer than me, then this might work out for you, but otherwise I think the Mighty Pink one will work for each and every Indian skin tone. The next product that I want to talk about is the Nykaa BB Cream. This is Skin Genius and it has SPF 30 in it. This is actually a pure bliss for my skin. It's so hydrating, it looks so good on my skin, and it just glides smoothly on my skin. So this shade, actually this one is Spiced Cinnamon. This is a bit tanner for my skin tone, but I mix this in 1 or 2 drops of my regular foundation, and boy, it matches perfectly for my skin tone. And the best thing about this one is that it's very hydrating as well as it's very natural looking. Like I wouldn't definitely wear this if I'm going for a full face glam as a base makeup, but definitely for a look that is more natural looking, more no makeup look kind of a thing, or whenever I'm actually going out to buy some errands, then I would definitely wear this one, because this makes my skin look healthy, juicy, flushy and more plump, as well as it provides the coverage. It's not like that heavy coverage, foundation coverage, but it does provide me better coverage than most of the CC creams, etc. So definitely This one is definitely a must buy, a must recommendation from my end. Another product that I'm obsessed with this July season is the My Glam Chisel It palette, and by the look of it you can see that how much I have used this palette, and I always reach out to this palette for my everyday look. Now it has a bronzer and a blusher and a highlight in a single palette, which is very versatile if you ask me, and the shade on the bronzer is also very good. Like, as you can see, it's not warm, like it's not orangey warm, it's like the most amazing warm brown shade, which is so relatable. Like it's the exact shade that I would want my bronzer to be, not the orangey glowy one. It's definitely like, it's super matte, it's ultra matte, but it's not chalky, if you know what I mean. It's very smooth, it's like a butter smooth, but then again it's matte. Now in the market there are not very bronzers, not many bronzers that are super matte or ultra matte. They always have some kind of like a shimmer particles or, you know, big chunky glitters in it, which I absolutely hate in my bronzer. Like sometimes I do want those kind of shimmer particles, but definitely for everyday I wouldn't want that much of shimmer on my face. I would want some bronzers that are absolutely matte. So this is exactly the bronzer what I'm talking about. This is exactly the kind of bronzer that I want to see on my face, okay. Apart from the bronzer, this is so versatile that I can use it on my crease as well, and the blush is also very gorgeous. The blush shade is also very gorgeous. The highlight is also very gorgeous. Again, the highlight is very subtle, so if you are into something like most powdery or most glowing highlight, then probably this highlight will not work for you, but this one does provide absolute glow within kind of a highlight. Okay, so yeah, definitely give this one a try, and yeah, let me know. Next up, I want to talk about this lip product that I have been using day and night. This is the NYX This Is Everything Lip Oil, and oh my god, the name of this product is actually so much relatable. Like this is exactly the kind of thing, like this is exactly everything that I need for my lips. And this is a hydrating balm, this is a lip gloss, this is an overall lip product in itself, and definitely I always love to apply this in my skincare routine, like when I'm going to bed, and the next day I have the most luscious, plump and the most juicy and hydrated lips. Even if I am having like most driest and chapped lips, this will recover it overnight, and this will provide the most amazing end product on my lips. Now I always use this if I'm going for a glossy look as well. Like I top it up on my matte lipstick, and this provides the most amazing gloss as well. I have almost completely used this product, but I'm so much in love with it. I'm definitely gonna keep on repurchasing it for the rest of my life, I guess. One of the best thing about this product is that it's more like a lip oil, not a lip gloss. Like lip gloss is something that has chunky glitters in it or a lot of pigment in it, but this is actually completely, like, how do I say, like not completely matte, but because it's a lip oil, but it definitely does not contain that kind of glitter or shimmers or any kind of particles in it. It's just sheer gloss. The last product that I want to talk about is the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme, and this is the product that has been in the market for like past I think 4 or 5 years, and I was just sleeping on it. Like I didn't find the need of having a this kind of lip injection plumping lip gloss, but when I did, I absolutely do not put it down from that day forward. And definitely this is one of the most amazing routine before any of my makeup video. I always apply this one on my lips for that instant plumping juicy effect. It makes your lips actually bigger, and like this is a sorcery basically. It does sting a bit after you apply this one on your lips, but definitely after like 40 to 50 seconds the feeling just passes away and you are left with bigger and juicier lips. I have seen that it also like makes my lips look pinkish and more like this immediately helps, you know, the blood flow into my lips, so it makes my lips look bigger, juicier, and you know, more pinkish, more sexy basically. Okay, so I always apply this before any kind of you know, lip routine that I'm going for, and this definitely has been in my vanity for almost every day I'm using this one. So guys, that is all for my July favorites. I hope that you loved this video or you enjoyed watching this, and if you did, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe on my channel, and also follow me on Instagram. My handle is written over there on the screen, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.